Crazy place, gang. Chat, this house is worth 17 million. 10,000 square feet, 17 million. Crazy. It's the same price as the one the Penthouse got listed for. Dead ass. 17 million, no AC. 17 million, no AC. Plumbing issues. I was literally taking a shower earlier today and it started leaking into raised floor. An elevator doesn't fucking work, so we have to walk up the stairs, which isn't a big deal at any other apartment, but at a $17 million crib, nigga, those are things I need that. I need that. Nigga, for 17, nigga, I need that.